How to set up a Roku remote to control your TV. In this video, I'm going to show you where in the settings you can set up your Roku remote to automatically control the volume on your TV. So you'll be able to use the volume buttons on your Roku remote to control the volume on your TV. And if this video helps you, please consider giving a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So on your Roku, all we need to do is go left until you get to this menu and then go down and select settings. Once in the settings, go down to remotes and devices, and then swipe right to remotes, and then swipe to voice remote or whatever remote you have. And if we keep going right, and then go down to set up remote for TV control, select that. And then I'm going to use IR setup. That's going to be the actual remote talking to your TV. So I'll select that. Then it's going to ask me to confirm what brand of TV I have. It should automatically detect it. If it doesn't detect it correctly, go down to change TV brand and select that. Find your TV brand. As you can see, I have an LG, so it automatically detected it. After this, select yes. If you hear music playing, select yes, music is playing. Now it's going to run through the different codes to configure your remote. And if it's successful, you'll hear the music stop playing. So when you see this question, do you hear the music? If you hear it, select yes. Like mine just stopped and you can see it muted the TV. So now if I select no, my Roku remote is now set up to control the volume on my TV. As you can see, it's working. I can mute, everything like that. So I'll select OK. And now I can use my Roku remote and control my TV at the same time. So that's how you set up your Roku remote to control your TV. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.